Again, just on the bus stop trying to catch my bus. I arrived here at 2:40, and you're gonna see how many it would take. By the way, imagine for the things that I mentioned there. I recorded in audio. Let's leave it here for now. Instead, can't see. What is it? These things are very individual. I mentioned from the place of filming me. So pointing, I mean, it's an opinion, but the fact is that I think that I pointed the phone there exactly as I would if I was going to film something, perpendicular to the line that connects the 2 points. So if I want to film that, line from perpendicular to that vector. So. 450. I said I want to be ready to go. I'm gonna arrive here at 2:40. You can see the sheer level of crimes. By the way, that's not just what you see. You should imply that this is also an attempt to control an idea that you use that to make me give up on things. Because whenever you saw that do the undesirables, right? Yeah, that's the place where I saw pointing in front of me. Correction, the cameras now are asking from inside the home what time is it, because who would have to watch phone? They have a phone, so inside the home. So pick it. In fact, that's good enough. You should actually take it.